in rin zin ni an ni zan chu zan han chu kan tunga chuan tunga tila ke ka chu tung che lo chao tu ka shen ba so zana pona chu tuma lai ka ron honu kan alarm se ta kan kan bo zan cha thlave kan hai zo ni leng ka ken ka zo zo kan mu hi lo kan ni zan zo zinga an thawa ti chuan hei hotel a hian breakfast ne breakfast ve yang 제가 좀 breakfast 이 둘이나 가도
He's good. I'm getting old. That's true, man. It was 2-3 years ago. I'll just jump back up.
Amazing a breakfast, tunia, eggs, sausage, veggie, more eggs, yogurt, coffee, black coffee. Ring talking ka honga until her kapat choba. Beach Uncle Dona. We stopped by 7-Eleven to pick up some ice and other supplies. I am wearing sweatpants and it's hard to look good in pictures, so that's sad, but whatever. Venice Beach, I can go here.
Take off your flip flop.
Is it easier? Yeah. Let me hold the camera. That's a good camera. What's up, man? Alright. Get you and go here. Beach Anoma. Weil Beach kann man hier. Ach, wir werden alle gut. Khôi cái đồng tuần hiện. Cái tiếng đầu tiên là Beach Han. Cái này cái ship ba. Anh đi John này. Không em mà không có like underwear mà extra thing rồi cái underwear cái hạt lỏng này anh. This is what it is man. Cho lên nó là cái con nó là thang cái này là creativity đồng hồ ta cái gì cái chỗ nó thang cái này cái besides that cái này ăn bao nhiêu chú? Oh, right.
I was thinking doing a flip. Do a flip. I don't know how super I am.
Finally I changed, wore some boxers, I'm back.
There's free parking here, but
A lot of people. Whoa. Huh? 你跌到啦！我撒緊餅啊！喺科山背撒緊餅，就做 music play 嚟，難看好冇咧。Feeling 冧啦都跟到係。Yeah. No. They're in the mood, dude. They're in the mood. Come on, come on.
They're in a trance. They the door.
DJ 後面 music 我 control 你住，然後 headphone 上係插頭。
We taking it back. Before there was Jay-Z, there was a rapper by the name of Notorious B.I.G. Like I said before. Here's the combo. Here's the duel. Come on.
Ay, dude. Hotel ang pedon.
La pelota, la pelota.
Hotel ang pedon.
Hotel la pelota, la pelota.
That was the worst. See,
La pelota.
that's Spanish. It turned into Spanish somehow. Sounds like Indian to me.
I was like,
Xin chào thì chú em. Không bị bay luôn ngồi lẩu tụi.
do you have any cash? Huh? Do you have any cash?
I have dollars.
I guess.